My dear friends, especially those of you in your golden years, today I want to speak to your heart and your health. You see, the food you put on your plate every single day has the power to either heal your body or slowly harm it. And for many seniors, one of the biggest hidden dangers lies right in the kitchen, the cooking oil you use. Most people have no idea that some of the most common oils in supermarkets are quietly damaging the heart, hardening the arteries, and robbing you of the vibrant health you deserve in your later years. Let me be very clear. When you cook with the wrong oils, you are increasing inflammation throughout your body. That inflammation affects your heart, your brain, your joints, and even your skin. It doesn't happen overnight, but after years of using these oils, the damage builds up silently. And before long, many seniors find themselves battling fatigue, high cholesterol, poor circulation, and the terrifying risk of a heart attack. But the beautiful truth is this: your body is remarkable. Even at 60, 70, or 80 years old, it can heal. You can reverse damage, lower your risks, and regain energy simply by changing what you cook with. Most seniors are unaware that the very oils they use daily for cooking could be silently sabotaging their heart health and overall well-being. These processed oils, often marketed as heart healthy or cholesterol free, are anything but beneficial. Oils such as corn oil, canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, and other refined vegetable oils undergo extreme processing before they reach your kitchen. They are heated to high temperatures, bleached, and deodorized to make them look clear and smell neutral. But in that process, their natural nutrients are destroyed, and what remains are unstable fats that the body cannot recognize or properly use. When consumed, these damaged fats trigger inflammation, which is the root of nearly every chronic disease, especially heart disease. Inflammation thickens the blood, narrows the arteries, and places an enormous strain on the heart, quietly doubling the risk of heart attacks among older adults. The danger doesn't appear suddenly. It builds up slowly year after year as these harmful oils accumulate in the body. For seniors whose bodies are already more sensitive to oxidative stress, these oils can accelerate aging at the cellular level. Every time you fry food in these oils, free radicals are produced. Unstable molecules that damage cells weaken the immune system and disrupt the body's natural healing processes. The result is not just physical fatigue, but also stiffness in the joints, sluggish digestion, and a noticeable loss of energy. Many older people blame this on aging, but in truth, much of it can be reversed by removing inflammatory foods and oils from the diet. When the wrong oils are replaced with nourishing natural fats, the transformation can be remarkable. The arteries begin to regain flexibility, blood pressure improves, the heart functions more efficiently, and the mind becomes clearer. Natural fats are essential for hormone balance, nerve protection, and brain function, all of which decline with age if not properly supported. Pure oils such as cold pressed olive oil, coconut oil, and small amounts of grass-fed butter provide the body with the building blocks it needs to repair cells and produce energy. These oils contain antioxidants and essential fatty acids that protect the heart and calm inflammation instead of feeding it. Unlike refined oils, they remain stable under moderate heat and deliver nourishment to every part of the body. When used consistently, they help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, strengthen the cardiovascular system, and improve memory and mood. Understanding this difference empowers seniors to take control of their health naturally. Changing the oil you cook with may seem like a small step, but it can create profound changes throughout the body. Every meal becomes an opportunity to support healing rather than disease. Cooking with life, giving oils sends a powerful message to the body. It's never too late to heal. never too late to strengthen the heart, and never too late to reclaim energy, vitality, and peace of mind. The human body is an extraordinary machine designed to heal itself when given the right conditions, and one of the most powerful ways to activate that healing potential is through the use of natural, unprocessed fats. For seniors who may feel the effects of aging more intensely, the choice of oil can determine whether the body continues to break down or begins to repair itself. When highly processed oils are replaced with natural ones, such as cold-pressed olive oil, virgin coconut oil, and pure butter, the internal environment shifts from inflammation to regeneration. These oils are rich in essential fatty acids that form the protective walls of every cell in the body, helping them function smoothly. They also support hormone balance, improve nutrient absorption, and boost circulation. Unlike refined oils that produce toxic compounds when heated, natural oils stay stable and retain their health-giving properties. They work with the body, not against it, providing energy, mental clarity, and a sense of lightness that many older adults haven't felt in years. The body begins to show signs of renewal. The skin softens, digestion improves, and the heart feels stronger and more resilient. It's as if nature gives back what industrial food has taken away. These nourishing fats also protect the brain, which is largely made of fat itself. As people age, memory lapses and cognitive decline are often linked to chronic inflammation caused by poor diet. By consuming natural oils that contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, seniors can enhance brain function and maintain sharpness and focus. Olive oil, for instance, is packed with polyphenols that protect blood vessels and neurons from oxidative stress. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides that the brain can easily use as energy, keeping mental performance steady throughout the day. These oils do not just protect the body, they also feed the spirit, allowing a person to feel more vibrant and alive. Many seniors notice that after only a few weeks of making the switch, they have more stamina and fewer cravings for processed foods because their cells are finally being nourished properly. The beauty of natural healing lies in its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to restore balance. It starts with choosing the right kind of oil, one that supports life instead of destroying it. Every meal becomes a chance to fuel the body with what it truly needs. And this act of care has a ripple effect. When seniors begin to feel stronger and more energized, they naturally move more, think more positively, and find new joy in daily routines. The heart pumps with greater efficiency, the arteries remain flexible, and blood flows freely. The body's inflammation begins to subside, and energy that was once used to fight toxins is now used to repair and renew. By simply returning to natural, wholesome fats, older adults rediscover that healing is not complicated or unreachable. It is already built within them, waiting to be awakened through the purity of what they choose to eat. Movement is life, and for seniors, staying active is one of the most powerful medicines available. The body is designed to move, stretch, and breathe deeply, and when it does, every system begins to function more efficiently. Gentle daily activity such as walking, stretching, or light exercises helps improve circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to every cell. This flow of oxygen revitalizes the body, clears the mind, and strengthens the heart. Many older adults underestimate the power of small movements, believing that exercise must be intense to be effective. But that's not true. Even a 10-minute walk in the morning or a short routine of gentle stretches before bed can make a world of difference. These simple acts send signals to the body that it is still strong, still capable, and still full of potential. Movement keeps the joints flexible, muscles toned, and posture upright, helping to prevent stiffness and pain that often accompany aging. when you move with intention. Your body responds by releasing endorphins, the natural chemicals that lift your mood and ease tension. Suddenly, fatigue lessens, sleep improves, and your sense of vitality begins to return. Regular movement also plays a vital role in heart health. For seniors who may worry about blood pressure, cholesterol, or circulation, consistent light exercise acts like a natural medicine. It strengthens the heart muscle, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and reduces the buildup of plaque in the arteries. The act of moving the body improves lymphatic flow, allowing toxins and waste products to be flushed out more effectively. When combined with a balanced diet and proper hydration, this creates a body that functions smoothly, free of unnecessary strain. The lungs, too, benefit from this gentle movement. Deep breathing expands their capacity, bringing more oxygen into the bloodstream and energizing every organ. Breathing deeply and moving rhythmically reconnects the mind and body, creating a feeling of inner harmony that no pill or treatment can replace. Beyond the physical benefits, movement cultivates mental strength and emotional stability. When seniors engage in light exercise, they often find a renewed sense of purpose and confidence. Moving the body affirms life itself. It reminds you that you are still growing, still learning, and still in control of your health. This mindset has a direct influence on longevity. When you choose to move every day, you are sending a powerful message to your cells that you are not giving up. You are choosing to thrive. The energy that movement generates spills into every aspect of life, making it easier to think positively, to eat mindfully, and to connect with others. It becomes a cycle of health and happiness that feeds itself. Movement restores balance to the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and improves overall mood. For older adults, these small, consistent actions build resilience against illness and strengthen the foundation of lasting wellness. Through gentle movement, the body becomes stronger, the mind becomes calmer, and the heart becomes more open to the joy of simply being alive. The mind is the most powerful tool for health and longevity, and the way you think directly shapes how your body feels and functions. For seniors, cultivating a positive mindset and gratitude can be just as healing as any diet or exercise routine. Every thought you think sends signals throughout the body, influencing hormones, immune response, and even the rate at which your cells age. When you carry a mindset filled with worry, fear, or regret, the body produces stress hormones that weaken your immune system, increase inflammation, and accelerate aging. But when you focus on gratitude, peace, and hope, your body releases healing chemicals that strengthen your heart, calm your mind, and bring harmony to your entire system. The power of thought is often underestimated, yet it plays a central role in how gracefully we age. Seniors who choose to see life as a gift, who wake up each day thankful for the breath in their lungs, are the ones who radiate vitality regardless of their age. A positive mindset not only lifts your spirit, but also energizes your body. When you believe you are capable of improving your health, your actions naturally begin to reflect that belief. You start eating better, moving more, and smiling often because your thoughts are aligned with growth and healing. Gratitude creates momentum. It shifts attention away from what's missing and toward what's possible. Studies have shown that people who maintain a grateful outlook sleep better, recover faster, and experience less pain. For seniors, this means that healing is not only physical, it's emotional and spiritual too. Every time you think a kind thought, every time you speak words of encouragement to yourself, you strengthen the connection between your mind and body. You remind your cells that life is still full of meaning and purpose. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that aging automatically means decline, but that belief itself can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. The truth is your body listens to your words. When you constantly say, I'm too old, or I can't do that anymore, your body obeys. But when you declare, I'm growing stronger, I'm learning new things, or my best days are still ahead, your body begins to rise to that vibration. It starts to function with renewed energy and clarity because it follows the direction of your thoughts. Gratitude and positivity are not just attitudes, they are forms of medicine that heal from within. They reduce stress, boost immunity, and promote longevity in a way that nothing artificial can. When you smile, when you speak kindly to yourself, when you look for the good even in small things, you ignite healing energy that spreads through your entire being. Aging then becomes not something to fear, but something to celebrate, a stage of life filled with wisdom, joy, and peace that radiates from a heart full of gratitude.